Look at that. Yeah, this is sweet. I really like this. Hello, welcome to Hitching the Ride. I'm now on the way to Aldeburgh. So just going to take a look down there. Just so nice to get out on the bike. So just been stuck in and out, weather's been rubbish, so to get so bored, as I'm sure you all have, most of you live in the UK. Some nice roads down this way, right down through Snape. As you can see, the roads are a bit damp and that, but not too bad. Hitching the Ride is on Instagram now, TikTok and Facebook, so you can all follow me on there. If you can do that, that'd be great. Like I say, if you're new to the channel, if you want to click on that subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. It'll help the channel grow. It's been doing pretty well. I've only been going about 9 months. I've got 830 or 840 something subscribers now. So yeah, very happy. Thanks to everyone that's subscribed so far. There's going to be many more videos coming up through the summer. I've actually just booked up now. We're in the middle of booking most of the hotels for Switzerland trip I'm doing. Going with a couple of friends. My mate Alex is coming. If you've seen the Isle of Man videos, he was in them. If you haven't, check them out, they're on my channel. And another friend of mine, Mark. He's got a KTM Super Duke GT. So Mark's riding that. And my mate Alex is riding his KTM Super Duke R. And I'll be taking this Ducati 950S. So that's a trip I'm looking forward to next year. Well, this year now actually. That is actually now 2022. So that'll be a really good trip. Be once in a lifetime, to be honest. Be riding all the like famous passes and that while we're there. We'll be spending about sort of 4 or 5 days actually in Switzerland. So yeah, I can't wait for that. But there'll be many other trips come up as well. Little trips here and there, ride outs. There'll be plenty of bike reviews as well. So there'll be loads of content on the old channel. Just over the next couple of months that'll be a bit quieter, obviously because of the weather. Going to be doing a video soon actually of me KTM Super Duke R. Overtake here. Yeah, just we're going around me Super Duke R, just showing you what parts are fitted to it. So that'll be coming up soon on my channel. Bit loads of goodies on that, like you do. And if you're looking to buy some stuff for your bike, I've got a discount code for all our motorcycles in Ipswich, Suffolk. You get 10% off. Just use discount code ITR10 and you use it for clothing and parts. Let's say you can go in their store or go on that online store and use it, save yourself some money. It's a great shop actually, all well. So I've been going there years, probably like 20 something years. But we're real good people there. They're always handy, you know, they always like to help you out. Anything you want to know, they will help you if they can. Not like some of these places you go to, you just don't want to know unless you're buying something, you know. That's why All Wells has been going for so long. Nice bunch of people there. I've actually bought a couple of bikes from them in the past. Got my last Super Duke GT from there. My wife has she bought her Kawasaki 650 Ninja that she's got now from there only a few months ago. Brand new one of them. She's loving that. Obviously just waiting for the good weather now so she can come out on it. Well, it's nice with the old heated grips on, and the hand guards help a lot with weather like this. When we get down to Aldeburgh, I'm going to say I might get the drone up. It's starting to get a bit darkish now, sort of a bit of a dull old day, but I think I'll get it up still. See what it come out like, and grab a coffee or something while I'm here, and then I'll just take a ride back. It's just been nice to get out, really nice. Start going mad sitting at home if you can't ride your bike. Bloody hate the winter, it's so depressing. At least if you get the odd day like this to get out on your bike, just make it feel a lot better. Alright, so turn right down here towards Aldeburgh. So the old Ducati 950, this is the S version with all the electronics on it. It's a really good bike. If you're really looking for something that, you know, is comfortable, that can do the miles, do a bit of touring, but still has a bit of handling, then definitely recommend one of these. It's definitely more on the comfort side than the sportier side slightly, but it still handles well for what it is, you know. Plenty good enough. With my old Super Duke GT, a fantastic bike that is, but it's a little bit more on the sportier side than the comfort side. And I'm sort of looking to do longer trips now. Like I say, I'm going to Switzerland and that, so I want something that is just that bit more comfortable, you know. So that's why I changed to this basically. But the Super Duke GT is a brilliant bike, especially if you can only have one bike. I'd say that's probably one of the best bikes to get. It's such a good all-round, still comfortable, not as comfortable as this, but it is still comfortable, but very good handling. So I recommend either of these bikes really, this one or the Super Duke GT, but depends if you're going to do more touring or a bit more of sportier riding at the weekends really. So that's sort of what determines which one to get really, to be honest. Otherwise both great bikes. I'm just lucky I've got two bikes to see, so I've got the Super Duke R to take out for a little blast at the weekends if I feel like it. Not far now, we're nearly there. We turn right down here into like the town. Let's say see what's open. There's a few places open. There we go. Little coffee shop there, out Domay. Turn around down here. Aldeburgh Fish and Chip Shop. If you're looking for some chips, this is where to come. Really nice chips. Right, I'm going to stop here, have a coffee, and I might just quickly get the drone up. It's getting a bit dark really, but we'll see. Well, just had a nice latte and a chocolate brownie. You gotta have a bit of chocolate in you with a coffee. It's very nice. Well, I got a bit of drone footage, but I kept giving me warnings coming up saying that it's too windy, high winds, so I didn't get too much. So if you've seen some, I've used it. And that was worth using, or it was okay. If you haven't seen any, that's because it wasn't worth putting up in the end. Yeah, so I'm on my way home now. I've had a nice little ride out. Been great to get out, first sort of ride of the year of 2022. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and help the channel grow. And then I'll see you all on the next one.